Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good Monday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. Big week this week, a lot of things going on. We're going to be broadcasting the Coffee with Craig show from Bucharest, Romania on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So, and if you're in Bucharest, we're also media partner of one of the big cocktail party, real estate cocktail party, hosted by Property Talents and Alexander Marari and his team. So it'll be a lot of fun. If any of our clients or friends would like to go, please just register on their website or on their event page, which will have the text and have the links in the comments section or in the text section of this Coffee with Craig show. A lot of fun. Also, if you're down in Bucharest and or you're there and you'd like to meet up on Thursday anytime during the day, we've got a few meetings still available, a few slots. We'd like to hear what you're doing and find out what new projects or what new things you're working on down there. Definitely like to meet up. Or on Wednesday night at the cocktails, which will be a lot of fun. Also next week, a lot going on. We've got the HotCo conference happening in Budapest, which will be the Monday, Tuesday in Hungary. I think there's around 200 people coming to that conference. A lot of real estate, a lot of hotel owners and operators, investors. Be a good event to go to. We'll also be in Budapest that whole week, filming Coffee with Craig, and meeting people to talk about the CRE awards, which we're doing October 20th at the InterContinental in Budapest, and really want to find out what everyone's up to. So we've got a few more time slots for meetings, and we'd definitely like to meet you anytime that week, the first, second, or third, or at the Kempinski Hotel at the Monday, Tuesday. So it'd be very good, a lot of fun down there, and then straight back. And I know June 7th, the Top Women in Real Estate Gala here in Warsaw is being hosted, and also some other events, and CFE and Wolf Tice doing events on the 9th. So it'll be great to see everybody there. Also, we'll just take a little 20-second break and show you a little bit about the investment awards coming up October 27th, or the CRE awards October 20th. Everything back to back here, which is only a couple weeks after Expo Real, which is coming up. We have a big magazine for that. So we'll be back in 20 seconds with the exciting highlights of EuropaProperty.com with Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief of Europa Property. So see you soon. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Craig Smith, publisher of EuropaProperty.com. Welcome to the 4th annual Europa Property CRE Awards, the only international real estate awards event based in Budapest, Hungary, and covering the surrounding region. After a year of online events, now we are finally able to meet face-to-face with international, regional, and local commercial real estate professionals. With over 10 countries covered, including Hungary, Czech Republic, Slovenia, Slovakia, Serbia, Croatia, Montenegro, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Albania, and Ukraine, this will be an event not to be missed. Check out our website, creawards.net or EuropaProperty.com. Welcome back, Winston. Welcome back, Monday morning.
Craig.
Good to see you.
Your schedule sounds exhausting.
It is exhausting. It's just cocktail party after cocktail party, and someone's got to do it. Someone's got to keep up.
Yeah, you've definitely got the experience. I just hope you've got the energy.
Well, we'll see. We'll see if I can make it. If not, if you don't see me at work, that means I couldn't go any further. But we really, after the weekend, I hope you had a good weekend. Everything okay?
Yeah.
You didn't get wiped out in the windstorm or anything?
No, all safe. Everything all tied down and secure.
Excellent. Windows closed?
Yep.
Yeah, excellent. All right.
So today we'll start with a report from Cushman Wakefield, and they report that growth has been seen across the core real estate markets of Europe, and this is the first time since 2019 that markets are bouncing back, and they've been tracking the performance across the office, retail, and logistics markets. And they've revealed that quarter-on-quarter growth has been recorded for the first time. And in the logistics market, growth over the pandemic has seen, there's been growth over the pandemic in the logistics sector. It's been one of the winners.
Yeah.
And it's been up 11.3% over the 43 markets tracked in Europe. And the UK is the strongest market, followed by Germany, and then following up is Central and Eastern Europe.
Yeah, I remember during lockdown, sometimes that's all we talked about was logistics. Without them, we would have had a lot shorter news.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, we'd have been less news for sure.
Just talking.
And and Budapest has registered a fall, however, in their markets, which is, according to Cushman Wakefield, reflecting a slight oversupply.
Okay.
The office sector has been impacted by weaker occupational demand at the height of the pandemic, but now has largely recovered. And across Central and Eastern Europe and other markets, rents remain low.
Well, good. I mean, good for us, I guess. As
Good
we're
if you're looking for rental space.
Exactly, if you're a renter.
And they say stresses in the retail sector continue. However, there has been a very moderate increase on rents.
Okay. Oh, increase on rents.
Very moderate.
Okay.
So slight.
Slight. Okay. That's
So
slight in American English. Yeah. Moderate in British English. Okay.
yeah, moderate.
Got it.
And moving on to the Accolade, the industrial investor Accolade, they've announced that they've had a lot of support from the banks financing them in Poland. And they've benefited from around 500 million euros of loans since February 2020. And at the same time, in the Czech Republic, they also recently signed a loan agreement with the club of banks for around 138 million euros. So the banks are very keen to
lend them money,
and I guess in the logistics realm as well.
Yeah, it sounds safe.
Yeah, and the banks that have been financing Accolade include Bank PKO, mBank, Santander, BNP Paribas, Alior, and AA Real Bank.
So the names we know.
Yeah, the main operators, it seems. Staying in the banking sector and staying in Poland. And JLL have announced that the banking tenants have dominated the Warsaw office market in the first quarter for 2022. And they're saying that according to Thomas Chuba, he's director of the office space leasing at tenant representation at JLL. He says space leased by companies from the banking and finance sectors was responsible for around 42% of the total demand for offices in Warsaw.
That really is a lot.
Yeah, and one of the big ones was obviously this recent PKO bank going into the forest development by HP Rebus. They took 18 floors.
Right, that's a big one then.
That's a massive deal, yeah. JLL go on to say that flex offices are also a good alternative for companies, and they're saying that they've seen a even greater interest in flexible offices now.
Well, we like flex office here at
We like flex offices here at Newark for sure. And they also go on to comment about the development activity and developer activity, and developers are more cautious now, and they're slowing down their developments.
Right.
For the future.
That's what we heard what I heard at the GRI conference as well. That they were.
So this could cause a rise in prices, and prime transactional rents for prime offices in Warsaw have recorded a slight increase over the first quarter, and this is related both to labour costs and the increase in price of construction materials. And JLL predict that significant changes in the areas of pricing are expected in 2023.
Significant changes, I guess, up.
I think so.
Like it.
Yeah, I think so. And finally for today, Panattoni is to deliver a further 70,000 square meters in Grudziądz. This is... They've already leased 9,000 square meters in this area to a leading provider of modern logistics services. And according to Panattoni, Grudziądz is a superb location it's midway between the Tri-City and the Bydgoszcz area, and it's proving to be a very popular region for industrial space activity.
Wow, great. So that's all we have for today. Yeah, it's a lot.
Those are the highlights for today, Craig.
Those are great highlights. So thank you all for watching the Coffee with Craig show. If you're in Bucharest, Budapest, or actually at the end of next month, Prague, let us know. We'll be back. We definitely want to meet up with you and see what you're doing and see what kind of projects we're working on and what we can do together to promote them. Having said that, have a great Monday. We will see you back here in Warsaw on Tuesday morning. And then after that, on to Bucharest, on to Romania. So enjoy the rest of the day, stay safe, and we will see you soon. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.